Okay, so in my last video, we talked about a new way to factor trinomials. And a trinomial is a polynomial that has only 3 terms. So let's try factoring this one. I've got 3x squared plus 8x plus 5. And what I want to do is I want to take this trinomial and I want to factor it into its factored form. The first thing that I'm going to do for the rainbow method is I'm going to draw the rainbow from the first number to the last number. So I'm going to draw the rainbow from the 3 to the 5. Whatever numbers that the rainbow lands on, those are the numbers that you're going to multiply together. So what's 3 times 5 going to give me? That's going to give me 15. So I know I need to multiply to 15. But I'm also going to be adding up to the middle number. What's the middle number? That's going to be this 8. So I know that I need to add up to 8. So now I need to find 2 numbers that'll multiply to 15, but at the same time add up to 8. And once you figure out those 2 numbers, you're going to write them down. So what 2 numbers will multiply to 15 but add up to 8? That's going to be 5 and 3, right? So I'm just going to write those down, separate them out by commas. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide both of those numbers by the leading coefficient. This is the leading coefficient, 3. You'll know it's the leading coefficient because it'll be in front of the variable with the highest exponent. So that means I'm going to take those 2 numbers that we found, the 5 and the 3, and we're going to divide them both by 3. So here's what it looks like. I'm going to divide 5 by 3, and I'm going to divide 3 by 3. We get 2 different fractions. Now, some of these fractions, you can simplify them down a little bit. The 3 over 3, that's just going to be 1. That's 3 divided by 3, right? But the fraction on the left side, the 5 over 3, can't be simplified down. So we're just going to bring it down the way that it is, 5 over 3. So now we're ready to write our factors. And these fractions that we just found are going to help us do that. The denominator of the fraction is going to become the number in front of the x. So for 5 over 3, that's going to give me 3x plus 5. Notice that the denominator 3 becomes the number in front of the x, while the numerator, the top of the fraction, is going to become the number at the end. Likewise, we can take this 1 that we found, and we can use it for this factor. And for this one, it's just going to give us x plus 1. If you ever have a whole number, you just add that to x, and you're done. So the factored form is going to be 3x plus 5 and x plus 1.